Looking for non-stick saucepans? Our kitchen appliance experts bought and tested the top 7 non-stick saucepans available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect non-stick saucepans for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get starting at number 7 on our list. We have the 71916 Chef's Classic Stainless Saucepan. If you're on a tight budget and need a high-quality saucepan that won't break the bank, this is an excellent choice for the big saucepan. To ensure the finest cooking experience, the gadget has a brushed steel outer finish, tight-fitting lids, and cool grip handles. As if that wasn't enough, this saucepan will also have a triple-ply construction that assures not just heat, but also heat retention. It's also dishwasher safe and may be used on any cooking surface, even induction. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 6 on our list, we have the Cuisinart MCP 19420N Multiclad Pro Stainless Steel 4-quart saucepan. This gleaming stainless steel big saucepan may look straightforward, but it's packed with features that will help you cook like a master. The pan warms up evenly and fast thanks to an aluminum core and touch heat surround technology, and the triple-ply construction keeps the heat locked in. When you travel from stove to sink, the tight-fitting lid locks in odors, and the tapered rim avoids leaks. Another useful feature is the handle, which is cool to the touch and has thumb rests for added balance and control for sautéing, searing, and simmering. At number 5 on our list, we have the all-clad 4403 stainless steel tri-ply bonded dishwasher safe 3-quart sauté pan with lid. A sauté pan scores high points for flexibility. They have a bigger surface area so that you can fit a lot of ingredients, stir them to toss them, and have them cook evenly. Their direct sides aren't too short or too tall, so maintaining oils from splattering and meals from flying out of the pan, so there is less to clean afterward. As part of our D3 collection, this sauté pan includes a bonded tri-ply structure made out of a reactive aluminum core pressed with 2 layers of durable stainless steel all the way around the surface for quick and even heat. At 3 quarts, it is just the ideal size for most meals. To maintain your all-clad looking fresh new, we recommend washing your cookware with sponge and soap rather than the dishwasher. A level, stainless steel lid is included to lock in moisture. At number 4 on our list, we have the Utopia Kitchen 2-quart saucepan. The Utopia Kitchen 2-quart saucepan is the foundation of each kitchen. Contrary to other versions on the current market, this superior version consists of a mix of an aluminum core surrounded by stainless steel materials to guarantee efficient heat supply. Additionally, it will come with a non-reactive surface that retains the tastes natural, making meals yummy. Apart from this, unit includes an expert, yet timeless design that provides a contemporary touch for your kitchen. At number 3 on our list, we have the Circulon Radiance Hard Anodized Non-Stick Saucepan. Section of Circulon's Radiance collection, this spacious saucepan contains 3 layers of long-lasting back-end coating and increased circles onto its surface that will assist you to eliminate whatever you have cooking easily. The heavy-duty, hard anodized structure works to evenly disperse heat, whereas the shatter-resistant glass lid's built-in strainer makes hanging fluids out a cinch. Also available in bigger 5.5, 7.5 and 10-quart models, the Circulon pan is safe to use either from the dishwasher and oven. At number 2 on our list, we have the Cooking Light Allure Non-Stick Ceramic Saucepan. Includes a 3-quart non-stick ceramic saucepan and glass steam vented lid having an elevated lift manage. This multi-purpose large saucepan is designed to last and perform. The extra durable structure provides even heat distribution. Riveted stay cool silicone handle provides a secure, positive, and comfortable grip. The superior non-stick ceramic coating prevents food from sticking, letting you use less oil for healthy foods for you and your loved ones. Easy to wash, inside and outside. The non-ceramic interior releases foods easily and enables a quick and easy cleanup. Cook your way. This high-heeled saucepan cooks a vast selection of foods to add soups, sauces, macaroni and cheese, rice, pasta, and much more. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the Calphalon Classic Stainless Steel Cookware Saucepan. Crafted from an impact-bonded aluminum base and brushed stainless steel, Calphalon saucepan will provide both professional chefs and home consumers unbeatable regular performance. Again, this device comes with rounded corners which make it simple for stirring and handy measuring marks which save you time in the kitchen. In this unit are broiler and dishwasher safe. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.